So just trying to make something healthy after all the indulgent eating and drinking over Christmas. So I've got these sprouted beans. They're 3 different types. You can do your own, or you can just buy the ready sprouted ones. We got these from Twitterham's. It says 3 dirhams 10, and then mix them with a little ginger and some red chili, a bit of red chili oil and salt. Grind them up with a bit of water to a paste that looks like that. And what we're going to do, we're going to sort of put them in the little containers of an idli pot, these sorts of things. But then instead of, well, you could steam them in an idli maker if you want, or I'm just going to try and cook those in a recce cooker here because it's just really easy. And then you can have those for sort of a really good breakfast with a coffee, or a light lunch with a bit of salad. So sustaining, healthy, and good. Let's see how they. So this is a close-up of the actual beans. We took some from the packet and some we used that we sprouted ourselves. When you actually grind the batter, it looks like this. Something you can definitely pour, but quite rough. Don't forget to grease your little steaming pans, and don't fill to the top because they will rise. When you actually open them and they're finished, they do look a little bit like burgers, but then when you scoop them out, a little bit sticks to the bottom, but you can obviously turn them upside down. So this is how these steamed mung bean cakes have come out. Made them in the idli maker here. We've got 12 of them from a packet and a half of the mung beans. Just added ginger, chili, a little water, and a tiny bit of bicarbonate of soda to make them rise. They're full of protein, healthy, I think quite filling, and of course gluten-free as well. So give them a go.